Theater arts is a really unique art form that relies on collaboration like no other art form, where so many people come together to create one piece of art with very specific skill sets and passions to make an even bigger piece of art. The program helped me jumpstart my career here, meet with a lot of artistic directors and other collaborators, but it also gave me the freedom to study a lot of different areas. I was interested in scenic design along with costume design. I was interested in design and technology. You know, design is coming up with how things will look on stage, what the costumes are, what the fabrics are, and then technology is the building of it. So building the costumes, patterning, draping, fabric manipulation, dyeing, crafts work, where a lot of MFA programs make you choose one or the other. I was able to take a class in the art department where I learned how to code and play with Arduinos and make wearable technology. So like the possibilities were much broader here, just how the department is structured. We're half, working theoretically in the classroom and half actually producing and actively experiencing how the design process and production process make a show happen. Another reason I chose to come to the U of M because it was a working MFA program. So I was employed in the costume shop for 2 years. And then for my third year, I TA'd an Intro to Design Tech class and was paid for that work along with having my tuition waived. So it was a very affordable MFA program. So I graduated, without debt. And that really helped propel my career forward because I wasn't worried about paying off student loans and I could just start my career. Working in the theater arts, you have to be flexible and have good communication skills. Every show I work on, the story is completely different, the group of people is completely different, and I'm able to go down a different design process or research journey and learning about people or parts of the world that I wouldn't normally know about, and then bringing that to a live audience and sharing that with so many people really feels like it makes a difference.